Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to use Airtable for website redesign planning, your full 2025 guide. First up, set up your base in Airtable. To do this, enter your Airtable workspace, click the plus sign to create a new base, and select Start from Scratch. The reason we do this is to keep all website redesign elements organized in a single location. Now that we've done that, let's move on to creating tables for each important aspect of your redesign, say design, content, and development. Click on the Add a Table button for each of these. This helps us because it allows us to break down our project into manageable chunks and keep track of progress in each area. Next up, we're going to add records. Think of each record as a task or action item. Add as many as necessary under each table. For instance, under content, you might have records like update homepage copy, write new blog posts, and revise product descriptions. This is crucial because it helps us break down larger tasks into smaller, actionable steps. Now, let's add a new status field to each record. Here you can list the status of each task, such as not started, in progress, or completed. This helps us because it gives a clear overview of where each task stands in the redesign process. Lastly, utilize Airtable's calendar view to visualize your deadlines. Click on the drop-down in the upper right corner, select Calendar, and set due dates for your records. The reason we do this is so we can keep track of our timeline and ensure we're hitting our milestones. Let me explain why this matters. By leveraging Airtable in this way, we're keeping our website redesign project organized, manageable, and on track. We're breaking down larger tasks into smaller steps, keeping an eye on progress, and ensuring we hit our deadlines. That's it. You now know how to use Airtable for your website redesign planning. This was a brief but comprehensive guide to help you streamline your redesign process. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time on the channel.